this individual, no idea how to make a workout plan. 21 male, 5'7". Ever since New Year's, I've been focused on losing weight. Cardio and cutting calories. Have gone down from 195. Hope to get down to 170. Incorporate some weightlifting. Highly recommend it. Yes, you will kickstart your fitness journey tenfold with that. Now try to schedule what days to certain body parts, arms, etc., as well as what to do. Been pretty consistent about working out 1 to 2 hours a day, Monday through Friday, and 1 on Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so individuals who are just starting out, especially in this, the 3 to 4 day a week full body program of, let's say, 30 to 45 minutes is a sweet spot. We'll just say 30 minutes. So 30 minutes, 3 times a week, full body. You're not going to be worried about hitting arms one days, legs, etc. Because when you do it like that, especially with 3 days a week, which is usually a common beginner prescription when it comes to exercise frequency, you're going to hit arms one day, and then you're literally not going to hit arms again, likely for maybe a week. But and if you're doing specific muscle groups, say like chest on Monday, back on Wednesday, and legs on Friday, you're hitting those things once a week, when in reality you want to be trying to hit them, if you're trying to maximize muscle and strength, at least every other day. So full body is going to be the way to go, and usually where I guide people towards. So picking some type of leg movement, picking some type of arm movement, and this is like arm movements and leg movements that work your entire legs, not just leg extensions. You want to do like a leg press or a squat or a lunge or a barbell deadlift. And then for upper body, doing some type of pulling exercise like a machine row, a pull-up if you can do that, pull-up holds, lat pull downs, dumbbell rows, etc. And then maybe some bench press too. Don't overthink it, but you want to get some type of pulling exercise with your upper body, some type of pushing exercise with your upper body, some type of squat pattern, and then some type of deadlift or hinge pattern. So where you're picking something up off the ground, or bending over at your hips and lower back to pick up something off the ground. That's going to be your main key, okay? You can add in some core work as well. This is really as simple as it is. I would consider, if I was you, actually cutting back the cardio maybe a little bit, or doing the cardio on your off days if you want to do that. But look up just full body 3 day a week program and you will be on your way. Doesn't need to be anything crazy. Even if you can do it twice a week just to start, that's fine too. And then just slowly building from there.